Hi, let me show you how to make a ringtone on iPhone with GarageBand. So of course, go ahead and open App Store to install this GarageBand app. So let me just find it. This is how it should look. And once installed, we can immediately open it. And now I'm gonna guide you step by step how to set your favorite song as your current ringtone. So firstly, you should see this display once you open GarageBand and simply find Audio Recorder tab in this list and then tap on it. Now, first thing we are gonna do is disable metronome right here by clicking its icon. And now we need to click this icon on top to switch to this style. So now, after that, click on the plus in this upper right corner, like that, because we need to change amount of bars. Go ahead and select section A, and then from 8 bars, which is here by default, switch to something like 30. And of course, click down to confirm. Now, the next thing we are gonna do is we need to click on this loop icon right here. From Apple Loops, switch to Files and find song you installed here before. So find the name of your song. In my case, it is in MP3 format. Then you need to press and hold it. So I'm gonna press and hold it and drag right here on top. Now you can immediately adjust its length right here. So let me just bring it to the beginning. And to listen it, just click on this icon. So I'm perfectly satisfied with the length and I'm gonna save it as my current ringtone. For that, I need to click this arrow on top, then select My Songs, and this is how it will look. So right now, press and hold it and click Share. Then you should see those 3 tabs, Song, Ringtone, and Project. So of course, we are gonna pick Ringtone in this list and just click Continue to adjust length. Now, just rename your ringtone here and of course click Export. And now you can immediately set it as your current ringtone by clicking Use Sound as Standard Ringtone. Another way how you can set it as ringtone is by going in Settings, because here we need to find Sounds and Haptics, then Ringtone. And now just find name of your song right here and click to set as your current one. And that's it. Easy as that. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.